Did a wrench light suddenly appear on your dashboard? Should you stop driving immediately? Or is it something you can fix yourself? The Powertrain Warning Light can mean anything from a loose sensor connection to a serious transmission or engine problem. Before you spend hundreds of dollars at a repair shop, let's go through the most common causes, warning signs, and easy fixes that every driver should know. Let's get started. Fast. What does the Powertrain Warning Light mean? Unlike the check engine light, the Powertrain Warning Light specifically alerts you to a problem affecting your vehicle's powertrain. The powertrain includes the engine, transmission, drivetrain, and the electronic systems that control them. When your car's computer detects a fault that could affect performance or drivability, it may turn on the wrench light. The exact meaning varies by manufacturer, but one thing is always true: it shouldn't be ignored. Loss of engine power. One of the most common symptoms is reduced engine power. The vehicle may suddenly feel slow during acceleration or struggle to climb hills. Many vehicles enter what's called Limp Mode. This is a safety feature that limits engine power to help prevent further damage. If your car feels unusually sluggish after the wrench light appears, avoid aggressive driving until the issue is diagnosed. 2. Electronic throttle body problems. A dirty or failing electronic throttle body is one of the most common reasons the wrench light appears. Carbon buildup can prevent the throttle plate from moving properly. This may cause rough idle, hesitation, poor acceleration, or even stalling. Cleaning the throttle body can sometimes solve the problem if there's no mechanical damage. 3. Faulty accelerator pedal sensor. Modern vehicles use electronic sensors inside the accelerator pedal. Instead of a traditional throttle cable, these sensors tell the computer how much power you're requesting. If one of these sensors fails, the computer may limit engine power and illuminate the wrench light. Drivers often notice delayed throttle response or inconsistent acceleration. 4. Transmission problems. Transmission issues are another major cause. Low transmission fluid, overheating, worn solenoids, or internal transmission faults can all trigger the Powertrain Warning Light. Symptoms may include hard shifting, delayed gear engagement, slipping gears, transmission overheating. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to expensive repairs. 5. Bad sensors or wiring issues. Sometimes the problem isn't mechanical at all. A faulty sensor, damaged wiring, loose connector, or even corrosion can send incorrect signals to the computer. Common sensors include throttle position sensor, mass airflow sensor, transmission speed sensor, pedal position sensor. A simple electrical fault can trigger the wrench light even when major components are working normally. Now, easy DIY checks before visiting a mechanic. Before replacing expensive parts, try these simple checks. First, scan the vehicle using an OBD2 scanner. The stored trouble codes often point directly to the faulty system. Next, inspect electrical connectors around the throttle body and engine for loose or damaged wiring. Check your transmission fluid level if your vehicle allows it. If the throttle body looks dirty, clean it using Throttle Body Cleaner. Finally, after repairs, clear the fault codes and see if the warning light returns. Remember, never replace parts based on guesses. Always diagnose the problem first. When should you stop driving? If the wrench light appears but the vehicle drives normally, you can usually drive carefully to a repair shop. However, stop driving immediately if you notice severe loss of power, transmission slipping badly, loud mechanical noises, burning smell, engine overheating. Continuing to drive under these conditions could cause major engine or transmission damage. The Powertrain Warning Light doesn't always mean a major repair, but it should never be ignored. Many problems are caused by dirty throttle bodies, faulty sensors, electrical connections, or transmission issues that can be diagnosed before replacing expensive parts. If this video helped you understand what the wrench light means, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fixpro Garage, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow car repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.